Ramakrishna. Today my topic is energy. What is energy? Energy is ability to do work. Today our topic is energy. We have 6 subtopics. The first subtopic is energy and their sources. The sun is the main source of energy. The energy from the sun is used to generate electricity through the use of solar panels. Water. Flowing water rotates the turbine in the dam to generate electricity. Biomass is a substance from plants or animal wastes used to produce fuel and generate electricity. Wind. Blowing wind rotates the windmill to generate electricity. Nuclear substances such as uranium are used to generate electricity at nuclear power stations. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels such as petroleum, natural gas and coal are burned to generate electricity. Waves. Waves rotate the turbine in the ocean to generate electricity. Forms of energy. Solar energy is the energy obtained from sun. Heat energy is the energy stored in objects that are heat. Light energy is the energy produced by objects that emit light. Sound energy is the energy produced by vibrating objects. Electrical energy is the energy flowing a complete electrical circuit. Chemical energy is the energy stored in substances such as food, fossil fuels, biomass or battery. Kinetic energy is the energy present in moving objects. Potential energy is the energy stored in objects that are at a certain height that are stretched or compressed. Nuclear energy is the energy contained in nuclear substance such as uranium. Riding a bicycle. Chemical energy of food eaten. Kinetic energy. Energy from food eaten is in the movement of leg and bicycle. While cycling, the chemical energy of food eaten transforms into kinetic energy. Switching on a television. Electric energy in the electrical circuit. Light energy, the television emits image. Sound energy, sound of the television. When switching on a television, the electrical energy transforms into light and sound energy. Lighting a fire, chemical energy, stored in fuel. Heat energy, the fire produces heat. Light energy, the fire emits light. As the flame burns, the chemical energy stored in fuel transforms into heat and light. A moving vehicle. Chemical energy stored in the fossil fuels. Kinetic energy, car movement. As the vehicle moves, the car engine transforms the chemical energy into kinetic energy. State the transformation of energy involved from A to C. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. All the changes that occur in the world depend on energy. Do you know that energy can be transformed resource? It cannot be created or destroyed. Observe the situation below. Renewable and non-renewable energy sources. always available. Wind is unlimited and is everywhere. Biomass is always available because it assists in natural substance. Non-renewable energy sources that are limited and cannot be regenerated. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels will run out in the future. Coal, natural gas, petroleum. Nuclear substance. Nuclear substance such as uranium is limited. The weather so hot today, it will become cooler shortly. The electrical bill has risen for this month. A lot of electrical energy was used. The weather is so hot today, it will become cooler shortly. After 1 month, the electrical bill for this month has decreased. Less electrical energy was used. There's a lot of smoke. I can hardly breathe. The air is fresh today. The answer of first question. Potential energy, kinetic energy, potential energy. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and friends. My name is Yasha Navalingam. I am from Kambar. Today my title is Energy. Energy and resources. Sun. The sun is the main source of energy. The energy from the sun is used to generate electricity through the use of solar panels. Water. Flowing water rotates the turbine in the dam to generate electricity. Biomass. Biomass is a substance from plants or animal feces to use to produce fuels and wind. Moving wind rotates the wind wheel to generate electricity. Nuclear substances such as aluminium are used to generate electricity and nuclear of the power stations. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels such as petroleum, natural gas and coal are burned to generate electricity. Waves. Waves rotate the turbine in the ocean to generate electricity. Forms of energy. There are 8 forms. Here there are solar energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, chemical energy, kinetic energy, potential energy and nuclear energy. Energy sources. Renewable, non-renewable. Renewable. A source of energy that can be generated continuously. The sun, a constant source of energy. Waves exist naturally. Water is always available. Wind is ultimate and is everywhere. Biomass is always available because it exists in natural substance. Non-renewable. Energy source that are limited and cannot be generated. Fossil fuels will run out in the future. Coal, natural gas, petroleum. Thank you.
Friend, my name is Master. I'm from 4K. What is energy? Energy is ability to work. Energy can be obtained from a variety of sources. Energy is a quantitative property that is transferred to a body or or to a physical system, recognizable in the performance of work and in the form of heat and light. Energy is a conserved quality. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can be converted in form but cannot be created or destroyed. Energy and their sources. Sun. The sun is the main source of energy. The energy from the sun is used to generate electricity through the use of solar panels. Water. Flowing water rotates the turbine in the dam to generate electricity. Biomass. Biomass is a substance from plants or animal feces used to produce fuel and generate electricity. Blowing wind. Blowing wind rotates the windmill to generate electricity. Nuclear substances such as uranium are used to generate electricity at nuclear power stations. Fossil fuels such as petroleum, natural gas and coal are burned to generate electricity. Waves. Waves rotate the turbine in the ocean to generate electricity. Forms of energy. There are several forms of energy around us. Solar energy. Solar energy is obtained from the sun. Heat energy. Heat energy is the energy stored in objects that are heated. Light energy. Light energy is the energy produced by objects that emit light. Sound energy. Sound energy is the energy produced by vibrating objects. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy flowing in a complete electrical circuit. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy stored in substances such as food, fossil fuels, biomass or batteries. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy present in the moving object. Potential energy. Potential energy is the energy stored in objects that are at a certain height that are stretched or compressed. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the energy contained nuclear substance such as uranium. Thank you.